can you cancel pending payment on App Store or not? So let's get started. So basically, it is not possible to cancel a pending payment on the App Store because a pending payment means a purchase has already been made and is waiting to be completed. However, you can request a refund for an app or content you bought from Apple just by following some steps. All you have to do is go to the reportaproblem.apple.com on your browser and sign in with your Apple ID. After logging in, you will see a list of your recent purchases. Locate the app or content for which you want to request a refund and click or tap on I would like to and select request a refund. Apple will review your request and if approved, the refund will be processed. Refund may take a few days to appear in your account depending on your payment method. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.